If you've ever shopped for life insurance, you've heard the debate: term or permanent, cheap or guaranteed. Agents often push permanent policies because, let's face it, bigger premiums mean bigger commissions. Financial media pushes term because cheaper sounds smarter. Neither is right for everybody. The real question isn't which is better. It's three simpler questions: how much, how long, and what type. Term life insurance is pure protection. Pay a premium, and if you die while the policy's active, your family gets a payout. No cash value, no frills, just coverage for a set period like 10, 20, or 30 years. Permanent insurance lasts your whole life and builds cash value along the way. It costs a lot more because part of every premium gets set aside and invested inside the policy. So how long do you actually need coverage? Think about why you're buying it. Got young kids? You need protection until they're independent, so match a 20 or 30-year term to that timeline. Not a cheap 10-year term that expires while they're still in middle school. Have a 15-year mortgage? Match a 15-year term to it. Your goal should be coverage that lasts as long as the need does. Here's a rule of thumb worth remembering: overestimate your need with term insurance and underestimate your need with permanent insurance. Why? Term is so cheap that buying extra costs you almost nothing. On the other hand, permanent insurance is expensive, so purchase less than what you think you need to keep costs under control. Which type fits your goal? Want a guaranteed payout to your heirs no matter when you die? Permanent may make sense. Want to protect your family during a specific stretch until the mortgage is paid or the kids are grown? Term is almost always the better fit, and it frees up money to invest on your own terms. Why do so many people get this wrong? There tends to be a conflict of interest. Bigger permanent premiums mean bigger commissions for the agent. And families who hear a scary expensive permanent quote often walk away thinking they can't afford any life insurance when a term policy could have covered them for the price of a streaming subscription. There's no universally right policy, only the right policy for your goal, your timeline, and your budget. Match the insurance to the need, not the sales pitch. That's how you turn a confusing decision into a confident one.